Hi everyone, what's up? Today, actually tonight, it's like 11:30. Two heat pumps are frozen up. 3 of them are running right now. But breaking news, I had to get rid of the 2024 Bryant system because it's too much room for all the systems to have air. I can barely get to the other the other dresser, I think. So I decided I didn't actually get rid of it. I just put it in the other room for extra storage, but it's not gonna be hooked up. So, but anyways, look at this. That's frozen, and that over there is also iced up. The Ream is also running. Air is definitely restricted. Oh yeah, it's frosted up. Pretty good. Here's the Ream. Very quiet in heat mode. Partially hear it. Yep. Nice and warm. This Ducane's vibrating a lot. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can tell, but look. You can see that shakiness right there. Alright, so that's my unit. And here's my unit. Wow. Somehow it's not iced up right there. These systems aren't running right now. But these two aren't either. Just this one. I think it's making some weird noises. Wait. Oh, it's in defrost. I thought it shut off. Nice. Can't even hear it. That's how quiet it is. Yeah, this one's still frozen up. Yeah. The Bryant will be in storage for maybe a couple of months. But yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. With that being said, that'll be it.